Are you tired of the never-ending battle with your belly fat? In today's video, we reveal a simple yet powerful solution to help you get rid of that stubborn belly fat even in the scorching heat. From water to weight loss, our channel provides valuable insights. So make sure to subscribe and stay updated with all our health and wellness tips. Now let's dive in. If you live in the United States and the heat is hitting Atlanta, pay attention. There is a refreshing iced tea gaining popularity among those looking to lose belly fat even in the summer. The combination is tropical, tasty, and best of all, it helps your body de-bloat and burn belly fat. And yes, I'll share the full recipe at the end. This tea blends fruits, herbs, and ice water. Comment here with the phrase ATL Summer Tea if you would like to try this recipe today. Peel a half pineapple, remove the core, and cut it into cubes. Add a few fresh mint leaves to a pitcher with 1 liter of filtered water. If desired, add a few lemon slices. Take action today. Start with this delicious iced tea and you'll be amazed at the transformative power it holds. Your taste buds will thank you for the tropical getaway while your body celebrates the natural goodness you are infusing into your system. Refrigerate for hours, strain and drink throughout the day. Remember, small changes like this can lead to big transformations. So stay tuned for more videos where we continue to unveil the secrets of natural health and wellness. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any valuable tips. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and embrace the power within you to achieve your weight loss goals. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Well, chill. Avoid adding sugar. The fruit already naturally sweetens. It is a perfect option for those looking for naturally sweetened desserts that are refreshing and also help with weight loss. Stick with me. You'll want to try both recipes together. Simple, affordable, and without side effects. That's what your body needs. And of course, if you haven't signed up yet, take advantage now. The recipe is coming. Perfect for staying hydrated and activating your metabolism. The secret lies in the balance between digestion, freshness, and thermogenesis. That's why pineapple and mint tea has become all the rage in Atlanta neighborhoods. It reduces bloating, improves bowel function, and helps you feel lighter in just a few days. Let's explore the magic of each ingredient. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which speeds up digestion and combats fluid retention. On the other hand, mint acts as a digestive soother and helps with fat metabolism. Just ask the many Atlantans who have already included this tea in their daily routine and witnessed the amazing benefits firsthand. They're shedding pounds, inches, and feeling fantastic. Together, these two natural powerhouses refresh and gently act on the body without causing side effects. The result, less bloated belly, more energy, and that feeling of lightness even on the heaviest days. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Have you ever had natural iced tea instead of soda or artificial juice? This tea doesn't require any sweetener or sugar. People with insulin resistance, pre-diabetes, or simply struggling to lose belly fat will feel the difference. Now let's get to the recipe. If you enjoy this refreshing tea, in the next video I'll show you a hot cinnamon and apple blend that activates fat burning even on cold days. Don't let another summer go by with you feeling sluggish and uncomfortable in your own skin. So what are you waiting for? Grab the ingredients, follow the recipe, and experience the refreshing journey towards a slimmer, happier you.